Oh, well, my name is Fox92, aka 9-Bit Fox, and welcome back to The Evil Within. I'm continuing where I last left off, which was when exactly? Alright, I'm back into it, but I totally forgot where I was last time. Although I remember now that I have my freaking crossbow. Come at me, mother fluffers! Ah, jeez, I love this crossbow. Oh, right, now I remember now. I'm trying to find a chainsaw to unlock the door. And I now have my awesome freaking crossbow with me. Pew! Bye! Alright, where's the other guy? Is he coming this way? Surprisingly not. No, okay. Wait, is that guy? Okay, it's just a dead body. Alright. Okay. Let's see here. What the fuck is that noise? I missed. Great. I freaking missed. Congratulations. Oh no, don't you dare turn on, you son of a biscuit. And police issue! Where'd that arrow go? Or did it fly away now? Alright, well it doesn't matter. Okay, that guy's there. Okay, come here. Come here, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. I have a one-hit kill in my hand, so I'll gladly take you on. Die, police lady! Oh, and I'm going to burn your body. Oh my god, look at all that blood! Holy... Oh, it's gone. Do you have something I can... Actually, you know what? I'm going to try to kill you. Because it'd be kind of stupid if I don't. Because if I can kill him now, I'm hoping that he won't kill me later on. And... that didn't do anything except let him go. Oh, fudge me. Oh, fudge me. Climb the effing thing. No. No. Holy crap, now I'm gonna die. Okay, I can use the flash bolt, blind him, and then just light him up with bullets. Hopefully that'll kill him. Oh my gosh, what do I do? I'm dead. I'm so freaking dead. I just got myself into a corner. I am screwed. I am dead. Okay. Oh crap. Oh fudge me. I did not think this through. I did not think this through at all. Fudge me. Wait, do I get the chainsaw? Do I get to go Evil Dead on this guy? You gonna head up here, or are you just gonna be a moron and stay down there? Okay, I see your shadow. Ooh, scary. Wait, is that the same chainsaw guy from the beginning? Oh, fudge me. Run, you idiot! No, no, no! Get out the window! Get out the window! Get out the window! I guess the fall probably would have hurt me, but I thought it'd be at least easy. I think I'd probably live more than a chainsaw to the neck. Or are they still alive? I think they're still alive. Yeah, they're still alive. Fudge. Okay. Wait. I have this. Oh, yes. That was a nice shot. God bless for that shot. And it saved me 2 of the bombs. Alright, you stay in there, buddy. You do not move from that freaking spot. Because I'm going to light you up like a firecracker. We go ahead and break these. Oh, yes, scraps. Scraps is now like the most important thing I could get because this crossbow is going to be my main weapon. Oh. Darn. Okay, let me try this one. Maybe if I don't. Okay, that didn't work. Oh my gosh! What the heck happened to the music? Bye! Oh, he's alive! Bam! Okay. Handgun. Bam! 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 Uh-oh, that's not gonna work. Burn! Oh, fudge me! Jump the gate! Jump the gate! Wait, where'd he go? Did he die? No, he didn't. Ah! No! Oh, no, I'm dead. I'm screwed. No! Leave me alone, you son of a biscuit! Yeah, I'm gonna reload. Okay, I just reloaded back from my save point. But now that I think about it, I think I know what I'm supposed to do. I need... If I'm not supposed to kill him, which I'm gonna guess I'm not, because I'm guessing this guy's gonna be the Evil Within version of what? Not Doomsday, that dude from Resident Evil. Nemesis. What I need to do is have him chase me to... Okay. I need to make him chase me to the area where I need him to be. And then from there, I need him chase him all the way, I need to make him chase me all the way to that one area. And stab you, you're dead. I need to make him chase me to the chain, and then at the chain is where he's gonna try to kill me. But he's gonna try to kill me by that chain, but I'm gonna kill him first. Well, not kill him first, he's gonna break the chain. Oh, right, the zombie. Fudge me. And bam! Ah, dang it. Bam! 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 Ugh! Burn, mother lover! Ah! Okay. I need to make him chase me.
How am I supposed to open this?
Oh my gosh! Oh, what? Are you effing serious? Okay, how do I do this? I would guess I would have to either kill him and then take the chainsaw from him and then use it to saw it off. Or I get this guy to run at me, I jump out of the way, and then he tries to kill me. So, do I still have my gun with me? Yeah, I do. Ooh, and it still has all bullets. Sweet. Bang! I missed. Bang! Okay. I'm guessing this guy's gonna already know where I am. So, I'm just gonna take... What is with this music? Uh-oh, there he comes. Come at me, idiot! Come at me! Ah, move! Oh, come on, that's not it! Okay, then. Oh, lead in the face! That missed, that missed. No, you're dead. You're dead. You're dead, dude, you're dead. I'm dead. Oh, look, this chick's back. Alright, I'm going back to my first idea. Shoot him till he's dead. Because all those other zombies come in, and it would be kind of cool to kill them all off with a freaking chainsaw. Alright. Hey there, buddy. Oh, come on. You're going to get here first? Okay. Your butt's stabbed. And... Come on. Get up there and beat.
Gotta take this guy out fast.
Okay, yeah, it actually... Okay. Oh, I missed! How did I miss? Burn! Oh, I probably should set up mines everywhere else. Oh, I'm dead. I'm screwed. I'm dead. Get out of my way, lady. Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna get killed, aren't I? Oh, fudge me. Crap. Guys, stop. Puberty. What? Why is Shiro talking about puberty? I don't want to know what's happening with him. I'm not even sure how old he is when I think about it. Oh, fudge me. Wait, is that where I shot it? Seriously? Those zombies are gonna have some hell of a fun time. I'm seeing a big guy coming up around here. Oh, crap. And bring! Oh, dang! One hit kill. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Burn you. And I guess that's it. I need you. Seriously? Okay, fine. Ah! Oh, that's you. Get off of my lawn! Get off my lawn! I said get off! Get off! Get off! This sounds very bad out of context. Before I get the angry chainsaw crazy man after me, maybe I should set some traps up first. Set one up right here. This sucker beep when I get... No, it doesn't. Okay, good. Okay. So this will keep it to where... And then I shall set one up about there. Oh, gosh dang it, no. Stay. Okay. Oh, my gosh. You're gonna go there. That way, when he goes up to it, it explodes him, and hopefully it doesn't pull no bull crap where he doesn't blow him up there. My crossbow arrows. Okay. Let's see. What? Are you serious? You guys are morons. I shot the freaking wood. Great. Bing! Bing! Yeah. No, wrong one. Reload. Reload the freaking gun. Alright. You're gonna come up through here, and then I'm gonna light you off freaking bullets. Alright, next... What I'm gonna do next time, if I don't win this one, I'm going to shoot one there, and then I'm gonna shoot one on the other side of that doorway over there. Okay, and... Boom!
Take this guy down.
Dang, that guy... Uh-oh.
Ammo.
Oh my god, I missed the giant man! Burn, baby, burn! No! What the heck did I do? How did I do that? Do I suddenly have fire powers? What the fuck did I do? I have no freaking idea. Oh crap. Oh crap. Wait, can I get up here? I mean, I know I can get up here, but will it help me is the question. I can just light them all up with bullets. If I had one!
Out of ammo.
Okay. Okay. Whoa, this sucker, you can actually angle it. Yeah! Oh, that didn't go right. What? Did it kill him? No? Yeah! Oh, fuck me, I landed right. Oh, wow. So apparently, I can kill him. Okay. Yeah. Come at me, fluffernuts.
Guy down fast.
Zap! Zap! What the fudge? No! No, you don't. You're serious? That's how easy it is to... Wait, that's not him. Uh-oh. Ah! Uh-oh. Okay. What the fudge was that? What, is it supposed to be that I'm supposed to hit him in the head? Because if that's the case, I'll shoot him in the head with that freaking bomb thing. If it works. And bang in the face.
Out of ammo.
I like how he's like, oh. Oh, wait, hold on. Then, oh. Okay. Bye. Come on, come on. Ooh! Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! Hallelujah! Huh? White-hooded man? Why are you here? That's mine.
Hold on to this.
And like a heaven, like sent by the gods themselves of old, comes forth the chainsaw! The teeth of this old worn chainsaw are caked with all sorts of things. Hallelujah! Oh! By heavenly light, tell me I can use this bloody thing. Or did I just shove it down in my pants? Aw, that stinks. Wait, key items. Aw, that stinks. Are there more zombies out there? Wait, there's a chest. Resident Evil logic. Or every RPG logic, technically. 2 shotgun shells. I don't have a shotgun. Is there a shotgun around here? Is there a shotgun in one of these houses? Anything here? Or is it that I defeated the main bad guy or whatever, so it doesn't try to kill me? Guy you all wanted to try to kill. What's in here? Shotgun! Oh, nothing like the, not like the suffering shotgun, the suffer gun, the blaster, the Bastar. But sweet, I got my gun. God bless it didn't just leave. Or maybe it would have told me, I would hope the game would tell me, yeah, idiot, there's something else in the town you might want to go grab first that's going to be very helpful to you. But then again, it might not, and then just like let me walk on off. Like, I think Doom does that. Like, to beat the final boss, you need to get the BFG. But if you walk past the room where the BFG is, it freaking it lets you go in to fight the boss, and you're stuck there without the gun that you can use to kill the main boss or the last boss. I remember my father's friend was talking about it, and he said he walked right past it and died every time, and he didn't know that he straight up passed the big freaking gun. Ooh, green goo. Don't mind if I do. And I also got a lot of, what's that? Oh, it's first aid? What is that? Medical kit. Large syringe in the medical kit provides major health restoration, temporary side effects. I thought I wasn't playing BioShock.
Experiment number 4. Subject numbers 4 through 13. Brainwave activity diminished, but synchronization achieved. Subjects should begin experiencing a shared consciousness. Previous trials indicated rapid deterioration of consciousness. Their minds became an exquisite mass, an amalgam of mental carrion. I'll have to connect myself if I want to experience their terror before it diminishes.
Mind orgy. No. I'm guessing from at least that. Wait, what is down there? No. No. Not even there's a reason to say that there, but whatever. I just wanted to say that holding up a shotgun. Not that I think there is a shotgun in Dread. Whatever. Ooh, syringe. Mine. Then again, needles, tape recorders. This might be actually, and then there's a lighthouse. Oh my gosh, it is BioShock. Room, 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 mother flubber, room. This is a powerful freaking chainsaw. I don't think chainsaws... Can chainsaws cut through steel? Well, those giant thick things... Oh, I just threw the chainsaw down and it's gone. Alright, time to keep moving up.
Wait!
Oh, I found a cutscene.
Wait,
Gets him land on top of
officer,
him.
you must take me with you.
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be
Oh.
just ahead. It is imperative.
So
that
he
we
is
find him.
Castellanos. God bless he didn't stand there a few seconds earlier. Sooner or later, whatever. Chapter 3, clear! Yes. God bless. Finally beat that freaking thing, the patient. So, okay. So he is the guy that I'm reading in those little stories, or little things I find right in front of the mirrors. And he's talking about everything around him. Okay. So, I'm still guessing that whatever happens, because he said the cop went missing, the other cop, maybe whatever happened made my guy go crazy, and something like that. He was in an asylum. I'm not... The asylum idea.
Oh, the hospice. Yes.
That is the hospice.
Leslie was being treated here years ago. He'd come here thinking it was familiar and safe.
You know where we are?
Just ahead is the
Leslie.
hospice my brother runs. He'll take us in.
That didn't answer my question.
I honestly don't know. For all I know, I'm losing my mind and you're just a delusion. But I'd like to think I still have a shred of dignity and an obligation to protect my patient. As an officer of the law, you should too.
Law!
I hope his brother's not a jerk, too.
Mirror, mirror. Yeah, hold on one second, dude. Journal Sebastian Castellanos. Okay, so his name is Sebastian. That should be easy. Remember? I remember the Black Butler. My gosh, the Black Butler. Myra was almost killed this afternoon. Shot by a suspect we were pursuing. Thank God I was there. She's going to be okay. But seeing her bleeding like that, thinking I was going to lose her without telling her how I really feel was unbearable. I think she feels the same way. There's something undeniable between us. It's against the code of conduct, but I have to let her know how I feel about her. I hope I'm not setting myself up for embarrassment. Okay, you're with me? Okay. Doc? Alright, come on, Doc. Yeah, Doc, come on. We're gonna head into this world. You'll be safe over here. You'll be safe in this insane asylum.
I knew it.
I knew what? What did you know? Tell me! I knew it. I'm insane. Alright. I have a giant shotgun on my back. And, yep, it just randomly, it's just switches out. Yep.
Whatever is the matter?
Oh, it's locked. And that board is gone. No, it's over here. Okay. One I'm going to save. Patient. Yes, I'm going to save it. Yes. Because I do not want to lose this area. Alright. So is there anything new on the board? There is. Missing Dr. Valero Jimenez, owner of the Elk River Hospice. Last seen driving into the city. The hospice is where that guy was just talking about. Is the hospice just another way to say hospital? Probably. Missing patient found. Missing patient found. Caretaker worried sick. Psychiatric patient missing since last Tuesday. Found hiding in photography studio. Physician Valero Jimenez says, God's will. Why did he say God's will? God's will. And it's not capitalized, so is it just like a Greek God? Because usually a Catholic or Christian God is usually the capital G. But okay. Because name. Basically. Okay. So. Okay. I'm about to say, you trying to block me off from my upgradable ability thingies? 8,000. Sweet. What can I buy with 8,000 points? Fine. Nothing whatsoever. Oh, let's see. Life gauge. Oh, I get a new life gauge. Maximum sprint speed. I can actually get one of those. Okay. Let's first look at ammunition. These aren't too much, so I'll get Wait, I only get, what, 2 bullets more? Well, this is 5. I'll buy more for the agony. Actually, I can get another one? No, I shouldn't do that. Wait, agony bolts? Explosive. 100%, 250. Explosive charge can increase damage, affects enemies in 3-meter radius. Inflicts extra damage on enemies struck. Fire damage at level 5. Okay, I'm buying this. And I'm definitely buying this. And then what else can I? And then I'll upgrade my life. There. There we go. Much better. Alright. Now, let's see what's next in this craziness. Wait, hold on a moment. I'll be right back. Okay, back. Did you not see me disappear? Wait, where does this go? Oh, okay, it's blocked off. Oh, yeah. This is basically the only place I feel safe in this game. This little area and then the mirror. Inside the mirror, well, really the mirror. Because the mirror seems like the safest place. Okay, anyways, let's get going. Check the area inside. Hello? Anyone home? Pizza man! I hear something.
What could have happened here?
Shut up. Uh-oh.
Peel away. No tearing.
The doctor's crazy.
Hush. Don't you fret.
Doc, no, don't.
Oh no.
Valerio, it's me.
The good doctor is here.
This is my brother, Valerio. Leslie's original doctor.
Peel away.
Yep. Ah! Ah! It jiggles!
Yes, expose everything.
Hey, what are you doing?
He's a zombie. Bang in the face! Bye! Oh, fudge me. Did I kill him too soon? Is the game angry with me? What the heck? Did he have a phantom itch? Yeah, itch he just can't scratch, and just kept scratching until he reached his brain.
How could he have done that to Valerio?
Wait, so is this Valerio?
Impossible.
Or is he talking...
Couldn't be Ruvik.
What are you talking about? Who's Rubik? Wait, wasn't I talking about Rubik's earlier? Rubik's Cube, something like that? Oh, there's keys in his stomach. Yay! Guess I know what I gotta do. Time to play some surgeon, what was it? Operation? Okay. So, okay, so about right here? No? Okay, about right around... Okay, this area. Stab! Really, you can just switch to a cutscene? I really had to do that myself. I feel something weird. Oh, fudge me! I don't think he liked me digging around inside him. I'd waste a bullet to make sure you're dead, but I'm not going to. Okay. So, Doc, I'm gonna go save. It's a bottle. Okay. Grab that there. And I'm going to go save the game. Yep.
Leslie?
That came from outside.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Alright. Hold on a moment. Did I see something in the... Did I just... That's where I saw... Okay, I just saw the glass. Okay. I'm going to save real quick. Very quickly.
You should find this useful.
Are you serious? You're not gonna let me save. Okay, fine. This episode's gonna keep going.
This way, please.
Wait, what?
I'm taking Bella to Smizer.
And we're back. What are you... Hold on a moment. What? I just came in here to save, lady. I can't aim my gun.
Where are you taking me?
Yeah.
You don't talk much.
Where are you taking me, lady? Much bigger than the area you were showing me earlier.
Detective Castellanos,
Is my body in
do
there?
you have a key like this?
I do have a key like that.
That key will allow you to open this door.
Why do I want to open this door? Okay. What is
The
that?
contents are yours. Please.
A shock bolt? Holy crap, yes! A warhead of Agony crossbow will immobilize enemies. You come in contact with it via electric shock. It can be placed on things like floors and enemies.
Come back whenever you need to.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So that means all of these are openable? Huh. This is pretty freaking sweet. What is this back here? Is there anything else? Get out of here, chair. Who the heck sits on chairs? I sit on comfy thingamabobbers. That is an old looking computer. Okay, so this... Okay. So having this computer shows that it was maybe late... around 90s maybe? This thing could be around the time period of 90s. In this asylum, I'm saying, because that computer kind of looks 90-ish. This leads to the shock room therapy. Huh. Now I have a reason to find those keys. Alright. With that, though, we'll end this video here. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tailed, aka 9-Bit Fox. Please check out all my other videos. This game is getting awesome. Well, it's already awesome, but it's getting way more awesome because now I'm equipped with all the weapons hopefully all the weapons I'll need. Hopefully I'll get more. But I got a crossbow that shoots electric bolts, flash, bombs, awesome. And then I also have, then I have my handgun, and now I have a shotgun, which honestly, shot to the head, and then burn that sucker, and it worked perfectly. But either way, thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tailed, aka 9-Bit Fox. Please stay with me. If you want, please stay with me. The game is freaking awesome. Check it out. Either way, play it for yourself if you like, although, it's like perfectly books, but, either way, thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tailed, aka 9-Bit Fox. Check out all my videos. Check out BlazBlue, Final Fantasy 7, or if you want to see more horror games, Five Nights at Freddy's 3, Obscure. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. My name is Foxer9tailed, aka 9-Bit Fox. Check out all my other videos, and we will see you later.